The ELMS School and College, in collaboration with the Education Leadership and Management System, ELMS, proudly organized the 5-day Teachers Professional Development Workshop 2026, a remarkable journey of learning, leadership, and professional excellence. With the support of ELMS, teachers and principals from ELMS-affiliated schools across Pakistan, representing Punjab, Sindh, Balochistan, and Azad Jammu and Kashmir, joined the workshop alongside the faculty of the ELMS School and College. The event provided a unique opportunity for educators from diverse backgrounds to connect, exchange experiences, and learn from one another. Over 5 days, participants attended engaging sessions focused on modern teaching practices, educational leadership, classroom management, character development, student well-being, communication, and professional growth. The sessions were led by distinguished professors, educationists, researchers, psychologists, entrepreneurs, media professionals, and institutional leaders whose expertise made the workshop both practical and inspiring. The workshop became a platform for educators from across the country to build professional networks, discuss common challenges, exchange innovative ideas, and strengthen their shared commitment to quality education. To celebrate the successful completion of this enriching journey, a certificate distribution ceremony was held at Shangri-La Murray. All participants were presented with certificates of appreciation in recognition of their dedication and active participation. Special awards were also presented to the best participants and best note takers, acknowledging their outstanding commitment throughout the workshop. The 5-day Teachers Professional Development Workshop 2026 stands as another milestone in the continued commitment of the ELMS School and College and ELMS to empowering educators, strengthening educational leadership, and shaping a brighter future for learning across Pakistan.